How to buy Bitcoin for a complete beginner. So I started investing in cryptocurrencies less than a year ago. And so I know what it was like just getting started, trying to figure out where do I want to purchase it? How much does it cost? Are there any fees? All of that. And I know it can be overwhelming. Here are just a few of the different crypto exchanges where you could purchase Bitcoin. A couple of months ago, I created a video where I purchased $50 of Ethereum on 9 different exchanges to figure out what were the fees and the spread in price when I made the purchase. So if you don't know, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, and the fees range from over 4% to less than 0.5%. So as you're just getting started investing in Bitcoin and or other cryptocurrencies, I don't want a bunch of that money to go to fees. So here's the rank of the different crypto exchanges. The things you'll notice here is both Coinbase and Gemini are the worst and also the best. Each of them have 2 different ways that you can purchase cryptocurrency. And so one of the exchanges I'm going to show you how to purchase with today is Gemini. So I'll show you how to switch from the normal Gemini platform to Gemini Active Trader when you purchase Bitcoin to save a bunch of money in fees. The other exchange I'm going to show you is Voyager. Both exchanges have low fees and quite a few different cryptocurrencies to choose from, but today let's focus on Bitcoin. The nice thing with a lot of the crypto exchanges is they have nice referral fees where if you use my referral link, we can both get some free Bitcoin from $10 to $25. So both Gemini and Coinbase offer $10 if you invest $100, and with Voyager, you get $25 of Bitcoin after investing $100. One thing I want to mention before we move on, I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video is financial advice. Before investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, you want to make sure to do your own research. If you use my Gemini link, you would land on a page that looks something like this, and you can see if you were to invest $100, both of us would get $10 of free Bitcoin. If you were to go to Gemini.com, you could get $7 of Ethereum for signing up right now. After you click next, you're gonna have to fill out the rest of the KYC information. They'll ask for your address, phone number, social security number, and probably have to upload a picture of a photo ID. This is standard for basically all regulated crypto exchanges. After you do that, you'll be able to connect your bank account and purchase Bitcoin. After you create your account, you're gonna land on a page that looks something like this. Obviously, you don't have a portfolio or a watch list, but it's gonna prompt you to connect a bank account. If you don't see it on the home screen, you can find it within account right here. Go to settings, and then down here you see payment methods. And then you can add a payment method. The best way to do it is bank account instantly via Plaid. I wouldn't recommend using a debit card. So now let's go back to Gemini Exchange. First, I'm gonna show you the expensive way to purchase Bitcoin, then I'll show you the right way. Let's click on Market. And then here's a list of all the different cryptos. Click on Bitcoin. You can look at this the last hour, day, week, month, year. And then along the side here, buy, sell, convert, and then how often. So you could purchase on a recurring basis. So daily, weekly, twice, monthly, or monthly. How much? Let's make a $25 investment. If you want to transfer to Gemini's Earn platform, you could earn 1.01% APY on your Bitcoin. So these rewards or essentially interest on your crypto, a lot of different crypto exchanges do this or other platforms. And then let's click on continue. You'll see there's 2 different ways that you can pay for this Bitcoin purchase. You can have a dollar balance within Gemini, or you can pull money directly from your bank account. Let's pull from our Gemini balance. And then what you're gonna see here is a fee of $149. And then another thing that the crypto exchanges can do sometimes that is a little bit sneaky is there is a slight spread on the cost of Bitcoin as well. So you see this price right here, $42,844. And then you see down here, $43,032.27. So there's a spread, so they make it a little bit more expensive. And then on top of that, add a fee. So let's just look at how expensive just the fee is, not including the spread. And then, so if you do 149 divided by 25, so you're paying with a $25 investment, 6% in fees plus the spread. So this is why you don't want to purchase with Gemini on the normal platform. So to get to Gemini Active Trader, the low cost option, you want to go to account again, click on settings. Now you see Gemini Basic, and then you click on Active Trader. This is gonna get a little bit complicated. I'll warn you ahead of time, but just follow along with what I show you here, and you'll see you can purchase Bitcoin with much lower fees. Okay, back to the exchange. Okay, and now it's only showing one currency at a time, and I know there's a lot on the screen right now, but just bear with me. So this is the price change. This is the order book. And then so over here is what we really care about right now to make our purchase. So if you wanted to switch to a different cryptocurrency, you could do that as well, but we're just taking a look at Bitcoin. So we already have it right here. We want the order type of just a market order. We don't need to think about limit orders or anything like that right now. So market order, how much do we want to invest? $25. And so you see right now, we are paying 9 cents in fees as opposed to $1.49. So a little bit of a difference here, right? And so all we need to do is buy. Your market order has been placed. And so you can see right now I have 0.000888875. And then now I imagine if we go to the balance, you're going to see, unless it automatically updated. Okay, so I think that probably updated before I even saw it. But if we go to my email, we can figure out how much I bought. Your market order has been filled. So you can see the price that I paid was for $42,852.70, the price that was showing us, versus the spread that was added when we were just purchasing with the normal Gemini platform. And so the $25 got us 0.00058,106 BTC. So we invested $24.90, paid a $10 trading fee. So that's the makeup of our $25 investment. Most of it went to purchasing Bitcoin. So that you can see how to purchase Bitcoin on another exchange, let's open up the Voyager app on my phone. Unfortunately, Voyager doesn't have a web or desktop app. You need to do it from a mobile device. But it's also very low cost and really easy to use on your phone. So after you go through the account creation process, I have a whole video where I walk through that. I'll link to it up above right here. You'll land on the market page that looks something like this. Again, to connect a bank account, just click on accounts, bank accounts, add bank account, connect your bank account with Plaid, good to go. Okay, and so again, we're on the market page. Bitcoin is usually on the top. Click on Bitcoin, so you can see the average cost, bid price, ask price. This is the annual return. So if you have a certain amount of any cryptocurrency within Voyager, you just automatically earn rewards. And this is the reward for Bitcoin. Here you can see that it's 3.05% versus the 1.01% with Voyager. But I think the amount, you need to have 0.01 Bitcoin. So that would be what, $400 and some of Bitcoin. So buy BTC, $25. Slide to buy. You do not have enough funds to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so here's what we can do. Make a deposit. Slide to deposit 25. Confirm. Okay, $25 is there. So I think it took a second to register that I have a $25 USD balance. Let's go back and purchase Bitcoin. Bitcoin, buy $25. Slide to buy. Your market order for BTC has been submitted. So there we go, order placed, good to go. One other thing I think is important for beginners, someone just getting started investing in Bitcoin and or other cryptocurrencies, is setting up recurring purchases. So I don't imagine you're gonna invest just thousands of dollars in Bitcoin or some other cryptocurrency for the first time you buy any crypto. It's probably something you want to begin to make investments in. And so setting up recurring deposits is a great way to do it. So Voyager is one of the ones that I like the most as far as setting that up. So let me just show you how easy it is for setting up recurring purchase for Bitcoin. So if I click on buy BTC and then set up recurring buy and then say how much do I want? So it can actually be as little as $10. So which account, frequency, so let's choose, so you can choose daily, weekly, monthly, or the 1st and the 15th. Let's go weekly on Tuesday. So $10 weekly on Tuesday, slide to schedule, confirm. Your buy for $10 weekly on Tuesday has been scheduled. So if you want to learn more about recurring purchases of cryptocurrency, check out the video up above. If you want to learn how you can earn higher rewards on your crypto than the 2 examples we saw earlier, check out the video below. Hope to see you in those and future videos. Bye.